Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Today's video is on the fly and it is going to be an unboxing and first impressions and flip through video of my new Erin Condren notebook or planner. So let's dive into today's video. I do have my box. I love how the Erin Condren boxes come just beautifully packaged and decorated. But first things first, before I hop into this unboxing, if you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. My name is Coach D, and I love all things planning. Here on my channel, I share pieces of my life with the hope of helping you to balance, grow, and succeed in yours. As a busy mom with a fast-paced career in corporate, planning is so essential to my life in terms of productivity and time management. I'm also an entrepreneur and a woman of faith, so I got a lot going on, y'all. And I really enjoy planners and notebooks because they help me to focus on gratitude journaling. It helps me to stay on top of my tasks, my deliverables, my appointments, and things like that. So I am a huge advocate for planning, whether it's paper planners or using your calendars in your phone or Google Calendars or something like that, perhaps an app. So I purchased another notebook. So let's unbox it together. It might not be categorized as a notebook, but we'll get into that, okay? So here is I opened the box upside down just because it had my address and things like that, and we don't want that blasted over social media. But in it, I received one of these before. This is their newsletter, the Erin Condren newsletter. On the back, it has some referral information down at the bottom. So I do have a referral code. If you've never purchased anything from Erin Condren before and you're curious about their notebooks or their planners or their stationery and accessories, I'll leave it linked in the description box. It is an affiliate code, but go check it out. It's a great way for you to save $10 on your next order. So go check it out. And in this newsletter, this is volume 6. I purchased a couple of months back, so I'm not sure what volume I had, but these are really fun. Just a great way for you to have something to do maybe on a slow day at work. You can flip through and learn about their different planner options. I will share, my daughter does have the kids planner. So we have this one as well. I'll probably do an updated video with her planning for her summer activities, or maybe when she goes back to school, we'll set it up for back to school. So stay tuned for that video as well. So that's that. Now into the item that I purchased. It is packaged here. And it is actually, listen y'all, I ordered 2 things from Erin Condren. So this is my accessories order, and in it I purchased the daily planner. So these were on sale because they are dated July through September, and this again is the Petite Planner. So I thought it was a notebook, but I do have one of their notebooks coming, so hit subscribe so you can catch that video. But this is the Petite Planner. I'll go ahead and open it. On the back, it tells you it is volume 3, July through September 2021. We are already in September at the time of filming this. That's why this planner was on sale, just probably due to the shipping, and they knew people wouldn't have it in time to really utilize it for the month of July. But this is the daily planner. I will be using this planner for work. So it comes with the monthly spread. I probably won't do a lot of plan with me videos for my workday just because of the nature of work that I do. I won't be able to go into details on camera about the meetings and things like that, but I can find a way to give you a gist of how I set it up for work. And I loved how it is the daily to-do layout. So hopefully you'll be able to see that. But this will certainly come in handy during my work days. I find myself sometimes really creating to-do lists on sticky notes or on scrap paper, and that gets a little bit cumbersome because oftentimes I'll toss the sticky notes after I'm done with the task, but then if someone asks me about it, maybe a couple weeks later, I want to be able to reference when I action something, especially big things that I need to action at work. So this will help me to stay on top of my deliverables, and it'll give me a point of reference for when things are being complete. So if you have a high profile, demanding, or, cumbersome, stressful, high task oriented job, I do encourage you to check out something such as this to help you with your day-to-day planning. So that's the first thing. And in the back, I'll share this. In the back, it does come with the stickers. So these stickers, it has something for grocery shopping, it has something for budgeting, birthdays, celebrate, to do, reminder, and then just some general blank stickers. Again, this is not going to be for budget planning. Y'all already know how I roll when it comes to budget planning. Go check out those videos. I'll leave some linked in the description box. But this is strictly going to be for my work day. And again, it goes all the way out through September 2021. So when August rolls around, which is right around the corner, I'll probably order another one of these if it works out well for me. I don't want to spend a lot of my budget on planner knickknacks and stationery. I do enjoy it, and because it allows me to tap into my creative side, I find it to be a good investment, and it's something that keeps me motivated. But anywho, so I'll share again in August if I decide to purchase another daily planner for October, November, and December, specifically for work. All right, so let's get into some of the other items that I purchased. This one should be real quick. This is washi tape, y'all. I don't know why I purchased it. I have had a few washi tapes in the past, and my children have used them for their crafts and things like that. But this is just some washi tape that has the to-do circles, the check marks, and then it has the time stamp on the washi tape as well. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it with the reflection of the lighting and the camera. And y'all ignore my nails, but this is the washi tape that I purchased. I also purchased a sticker kit. I haven't had a sticker kit from Erin Condren in quite some time. I haven't really purchased stickers in a while, but these, I believe they were, I had a coupon code in addition to this book being on sale. So it worked out okay. I'm not sure if you've noticed, but sometimes when you purchase Erin Condren, you might get a $10 credit in your PayPal for your next purchase. I'm not sure what that is all about, so leave me a comment if you've seen that. But anywho, so these are planner stickers. These are actually the Spanish planner stickers. And I was curious about them. I think it's phenomenal that Erin Condren is inclusive in terms of having stickers that are in Spanish. We can debate down a rabbit hole, should they have stickers for, a myriad of other languages? And I think that they should, specifically if they have that customer base. But these are stickers in Spanish. Now, most of them are like the cakes and the blocks, and then you have a few that's, Feliz Cumpleaños, for happy birthday. And I'm not a Spanish speaker, but for the most part, it's for celebrations, festivities, and for birthdays. So that's this sticker book. And then, of course, it just comes with the blank stickers that don't have any wording on it. And this page, for your to-dos, your reminders, and things like that. But it is, again, in Spanish. So I thought this was neat. I wanted to purchase it, and then just to share it with you guys. I will be using it. I may let my daughter use it in her planner as well, just because she is going to continue to learn Spanish. So I thought this was really creative and a great addition to Erin Condren. They also have the life planners and I believe the petite planners in Spanish as well. So if you are a Spanish speaker and know someone who's Spanish, share this video with them so they can check out the stickers and get the $10 off code down in the description box. And the last thing that I purchased, I think this is the last thing, yes. The last thing that I purchased with this order is a sticker book. This is a regular sticker book, so it's not the Spanish one, but celebrate all the wins, big and small. And in it, it has the stickers on each page. It has your headers, or these stickers that you can use at the top of your spreads. It also has just some generic boxes that you can fill in. It has Deco Stickers. These could come in handy, especially if you make mistakes and you need something to cover it up, or you have something that cancels in your planner. I like these. I did see the picture of this particular page, and it really caught my attention because this can go down the side of your margins for your monthly spreads, as well as your dailies and your weeklies. But these come in handy as great boxes for you to fill in details. Then this is just some motivation check boxes. These are the what do you call these? Oh, these are like the banners. So it's similar to washi tape, but it's not a roll of tape per se. Then it has just some generic ones for Let's Celebrate. I will be doing another decorative plan with me spread, and I'll share that here on YouTube as well as my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's Coach D _ the Career Mom. I also have a second account, Coach D's Planner Life, that goes along with this channel as well. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram. But I have these stickers as well. And it just goes on to have some of the gold foil stickers. It has the silver foil stickers. So it has something for, you know, different types of spreads that you want to create. But this is the sticker book. I hold on to them even if they start to get a little skimpy, and I've used most of the stickers over time. I do like to hold on to them because I might do a spread on the fly and I'll just use scraps. So sometimes the stickers may be gold and silver, or different types of stickers, different brands. But the goal is to be organized and functional, in my opinion, with planning. It can still be cute, but don't waste your money trying to toss sticker books just because it's only a few stickers. Go ahead and repurpose them and do a collective spread of all your remaining stickers. So that's it for my Erin Condren haul in terms of the daily planner, the sticker book, and the stickers in Spanish. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Also hit subscribe, guys. I would love to welcome you to my YouTube family. Happy planning. Bye, guys.